afternoon. This is one of the coldest days yet here in Benidorm. It is today 14 degrees, but doesn't look like it. No, it feels much warmer than that. Oh, we have to thank by the sun. Really shines bright over there, but it is still quite windy, so that is why 14 degrees for today. Yeah, gonna take a walk around here, and I've got some good news for everyone who's coming in the upcoming week. Thursday will be 22, almost 10 degrees warmer than today. And even today, people are already in t-shirts on the terrace, enjoying the sun. Not every bar is that busy as Tiki Beach. But over at the jungle, there's still plenty of space out of the wind if you want to. Really comfortable to enjoy some drinks in winter. Underneath the palm trees, who doesn't want that? Shops are open, supermarkets as well. Everything really looks like a perfect off-season weekend day. Not the busiest, nice amount of crowds, nice temperature. Well, it is only 14 degrees. Lovely weather. Could be a little bit less wind, but then, hey. Bulldog is closed today. I thought I've seen the place open last week. The beaches are completely empty today. No one enjoying the sun from the sand. But it is perfect weather for a stroll along the coastline. And while we're at there, guys, please do help me by liking the video. It really helps a lot if you guys hit that like button for promoting it towards more people. And as well, do subscribe, almost near 10,000. The waves have gotten a little bit less high the last few days, and the wind thankfully has dropped a bit. Still, we have these huge spots over here filled with water. It'll dry up over time, but the next storm is already on its way. But at least until Thursday, temperature should be alright. Back towards the promenade again. A bit more lively than the coastline. Let's have a look down here at the real estate prices. Yeah, those prices have risen a lot in the last few years. That happens everywhere in the world, here as well. Got the Port Benidorm Hotel, a new towering over the rest of Benidorm. Can't wait to get up there and enjoy those views that it should offer. That red flag has been out here now for a few days already. Let's hope it changes soon. Okay, today I'm not going to walk all the way towards the end, while Ricas and Stag and Pheasant is quite close. I film there quite often. Instead of that, I'm heading towards the left, past Bikini Beach Bar, which is open but completely covered up because of the wind, to make sure people can still sit comfortably inside. In these streets, more shops and bars are able to find usually, so let's find out are they're open today. On the right you can clearly see that at Port Benidorm those big windows have been installed in the middle of the building. I believe that area is going to be the restaurant, which will be connected towards the other rooftop that was already in place. And this brings us towards the bars. This one over here is open. Let's have a look what they offer. The other one, the Tapas bar on the other side, that one is closed today. Guess it's off season here as well. Normally all those stalls are open. Right now just a few are. Makes it really quiet, but they still mostly offer the same thing. And that was it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like, do subscribe, and check out the video over here from yesterday where I went towards the viewing point.